Good morning, everybody. Miss Helene here. This is like a great day to have a story. And one of my favorite stories is A Day in the Life of Murphy. Can you see what kind of animal Murphy is? That's right, he's a dog. Great. Here we go. Oh, lots of dog prints. A Day in the Life of Murphy. Murphy Stop That is my name. I am a terrier. I bark. I bark at anything and everything and all the time. I sleep in a barn with a dumb cat and a dumb hound and lots of other dumb farm animals. Luckily, I have a nice warm bed in the barn. There is only one trouble with sleeping there. When we all wake up in the morning, I know I must hurry. I must pay attention. Hurry up, run, run. Don't waste any time. You have to be first, the first one in the kitchen in the morning. Where's the pan? The pan first. Leftovers, scraps. The floor. Nose over every inch. The delicious pile of shoes. I can't resist giving them a chew. Forget the lettuce. Where's the bowl? The milk's gone. Crumbs, bits, good drops of grease. Munch. Murphy, stop. I said munch. Murphy, stop that, they say. Uh-oh, spanking. Out. Go. He says his name is Murphy. Stop that. I'm in again. John, that big old hound dog, got in too. And there's that dumb cat named Tom. Tom Fool, I say, but I have to admit, he has clever paws. Scratch, hook, he can open cupboards. We all know there are good, crunchy things inside. I do all the work chasing Tom away, but I never even get one little cracker. You can see why. They're in the big bag of dog chow. The kitchen is my favorite place. There's a mouse under the sink. He's right there. We're somewhere behind all that sneezy soap. I can't see him. I can smell him. Too bad I can't grab him. Oh well, lick the leaky water pipe. There's another mouse under the stove. I know he's there. John knows he's there. We can see him, but we can't grab him either. Oh well, the stove is making glorious sounds and smells. Do you see the mouse? Okay, there's one up here. There's one over here. There they are in the kitchen. Oh, how I love the stove. Meatloaf baking, chicken roasting, pie spilling over. Ah, the glory of it. Cookies, cakes, puddings, banging pans, hummings, cookings and frying, bubblings and gurglings, the joy, cream, butter, salt shakings, sugar sprinkling. Forget the lettuce. Honk, honk. Someone's honking. Look what they're making. Look at all that stuff. Wow. It was honking for me. I should have gone into hiding. Lots of dogs ride with their heads out the window, big smiles on their faces, tongues lolling out, ears flapping in the breeze. Not me. I hate to ride in the car. Whirring, bumping, swaying, whimper, whine, sick-making smells of gas, dizzying scenery, airless, fogging windows, horns barking, sirens screaming, tires squealing, snivel, grumble, groan. Are we there yet? I know where I am. I've been there before. Where do you think he's going? Doesn't want to go there. Did somebody say that? Yeah, to the vet. He doesn't want to go to the vet. He's afraid of going to the vets. There's a room where sad, nervous dogs and whimpering puppies are waiting, all waiting, 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 waiting for the vet. I think I may have to throw up. Uh-oh, it's my turn to be pinched, poked, prodded. Doesn't hurt, but get me out of here. Home, head for the house. Hurry up, don't waste any time. Dinner must be ready. Hide in the forest of kitchen chair legs beneath the oilcloth leaves. Shh! Be quiet. Be patient. Don't beg. Things drop. Things drop. Crumbs, good things, sneaky handouts. Keep an eye on the dog dish. There might be leftovers. Where is everyone? It's bedtime. They're probably all gone to bed. It's dark out. I'm tired. I should be in bed too. Wait, what was that? Who's out there? What was that sound? Something's happening. Murphy, get a hold of yourself. You'll make everyone angry. Murphy, stop that. Stop that barking. Go to bed. And look, the moon's out. And Murphy is bark, 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 all through that area, barking at the moon. Was it a rat, a fox, a skunk, a wolf, a bear, a thief? The moon, the moon. I heard the moon move. The barn's not a bad place after all. It's warm and friendly, and there's lots of hay to curl up in. Smells good too. Dear Sock, good old bone, good old stick, sigh, good night. Good night, Murphy. I'll see you later. Bye, everybody.